Where we are is the Asheville Forward staging area. This is where we're bringing in all of our mobile assets to help support the recovery, like generators and satellite assets. We also have our housing and showers. We have bedding for approximately 150 people on site. We're not nearly at max capacity of that just yet. We're getting extra food brought in, non-perishable items brought in. A lot of very critical vendors that we have in support. Many of them have come from as far as Louisiana. We've got folks that are from Florida. Engineers, we've had folks that have shown up from Pennsylvania, from upstate New York. It's pretty widespread, folks that are coming in from everywhere, and we appreciate them all. A lot of the engineers, whether local or even coming from outside, they help build these networks, and we are here to support our customers. And it impacts them greatly when the service is down and we can't provide the product that we're promising. And so it's really a good feeling when they're able to get over to the site, identify the problem, and help get the resources we need to get it back on the air and provide them that service. Just on the other side of this mall where we're located is FEMA and Duke Power, and they literally have thousands of people over there on that parking lot. They all rely on Verizon. Many of these small towns in this area, there may be one site covering the area, and when that site is down, they're at a loss of service altogether. So we're doing everything we can as quickly as we can to deploy the assets, get them out there where they're needed the most to help facilitate the response for all the jurisdictions that need it.